Once upon a time, there was a greedy lion who would always take more than he needed and would not share his food with anyone. One day, he came across a wise old monkey who lived in a tree. The monkey warned him, but the lion continued to be greedy. One day, the lion became very sick due to overeating, and he realized that his greediness had led to his downfall. The monkey nursed him back and taught him the value of sharing and caring for others. For that day forward, the lion shared his food with others and became a generous king of the jungle. The moral of the story is sharing and caring for others is always better than being selfish and greedy.